here's your seatbelt.
Are you doing good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Are you excited? Nervous?
Fuck yeah.
Are you nervous?
Only a little bit.
Awesome. All right. Have you done this before?
No.
All right. 1 second. Perfect. Do you know?
It was the brake.
How did that drive the fleet go yesterday? Did they tip you?
Yeah, I mean.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll take it. Thank you. This means brake. This means lift.
All right.
This means go to your side. This means go to my side. And this means gas, all right?
All right.
So when I say gas, I want you to be easy on the gas first, and then you can put more gas, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in drive.
All right.
And I will let you know when to go. So what made you do this today?
Well, we were originally going to do this in the earlier.
We can go.
Okay.
Sorry, where?
We were going to do this earlier in the year, but we had to reschedule, and I was going to do the Hellcat originally, so a little disappointed that I'm not doing that, but this is still.
Yeah. All the way to your side. No, I feel you.
Yeah.
We're gonna be behind the McLaren, okay?
All right. Yeah, I mean, it's not the Hellcat that I wanted to drive, but I mean, I'm still excited to be able to do something like this. This is still awesome.
Absolutely.
That have a good opportunity to go fast.
Yeah, I agree. No, I agree. We're gonna have fun today, okay?
All right.
Are you from the area?
Yeah, we're from Raleigh.
Oh,
so,
nice.
Yeah, it was a little bit of a drive down here, and we actually came down the other day, but we went paintballing.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we did that the other day, then we, came here today. So,
nice.
This was a very good weekend.
That's awesome.
Yeah, just super pumped for this.
I agree. No, I agree. I like this. I like these cup holders.
Not very convenient for the person driving, but I guess the person driving doesn't really need theirs.
Yeah, I agree. All right, perfect. We're good to go.
We're going?
Yep.
All right.
Let's give more gap, okay?
All right.
And we're gonna try to keep the car 3 feet away from the edge.
All right.
Perfect. Let's keep going. Perfect. All right, you see the red cones? That's where we're gonna be braking in the next lap.
All right.
Orange cone to the green cone, and then green cone to the red cone on your side.
All right.
Perfect. Orange cone to the green cone on my side. And gas. Keep going, you can put more gas. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, brakes. And then orange cone to the green cone on my side. All the way to your side. Awesome. I got a car behind, I'm gonna let him pass, okay?
All right.
Stay on my side. And then off the gas. Perfect. And follow that car. Perfect. All the way to your side. Good job. And put some gas. Keep going, all the way to your side. 3, 2, 1, brakes. And then orange cone to the green cone on my side. Put some gas. More gas, more gas. Keep going, keep going. On your side. 3, 2, 1, brakes. Orange cone all the way to the green cone. And put some gas. And then go back all the way to your side and gas. Stay on your side, stay on your side. 3, 2, 1, brakes. Orange cone to the green cone. Put some gas. Stay on your side. 3, 2, 1, brakes. And then orange cone all the way to the green cone. And gas. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, left. 3, 2, 1, brakes. Orange cone all the way to my side, all the way to your side. 3, 2, 1, brakes. Orange cone to the green cone. Are you having fun?
Oh yeah.
All the way to my side. Put some gas, buddy. More gas. Stay on your side. 3, 2, 1 brakes, and then all the way to your side. Keep going. More gas. Keep going. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 3, 2, 1 brakes, and then orange cone all the way to the green cone on my side. And gas. All the way to your side. 3, 2, 1 brakes, and then orange cone all the way to the green cone. And put some gas. All the way to your side. And gas. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1 brakes. Orange cone all the way to the green cone. And then go back all the way to your side. 3, 2, 1 brakes. Orange cone to the green cone. And gas. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1 left, 3, 2, 1 brakes. Awesome. All the way to my side. All the way to your side. 3, 2, 1 brakes. And then orange cone to the green cone. All the way to my side. Keep going, more gas. 3, 2, 1 brakes. And all the way to your side. Nice. Good job, good job. Stay on your side. Put some gas. 3, 2, 1 brakes. Orange cone all the way to the green cone on my side. And gas. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1 brakes, and then orange cone all the way to the green cone. And gas. All the way to your side. And gas. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1 left, 3, 2, 1 brakes. Orange cone to the green cone. All the way to your side. 3, 2, 1 brakes. Orange cone to the green cone. And gas. Keep going. 3, 2, 1 left, 3, 2, 1 brakes. And then orange cone to the green cone. And then go back all the way to your side. 3, 2, 1 brakes. Orange cone to the green cone. Stay on my side. Put some gas. All the way to your side. Perfect. Stay on your side. Stay on your side. And put some gas. Stay on your side. 3, 2, 1 brakes. Orange cone to the green cone, and we're going to do the pits, okay?
Alright.
How was it?
That was fucking awesome.
Good job. Brakes with brakes. And after the red cone to the left. Right here. Perfect. That was fun.
Oh yeah.
Right here. Perfect.
I really wish I could do that again.
Yeah, that
And
was
just
fun.
just keep going.
Yep.